Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Freshsales for faster deal qualification. Quick tutorial step by step. To install Freshsales for faster deal qualification, begin by visiting the Freshsales website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. Fill in the required information in the sign-up form, including your name, email address, and password. Once you submit the form, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Freshsales. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you to the Freshsales setup page. Here, you will be prompted to enter your company details. Fill in your company name and size, then click Next. Next, add your business phone number and select your time zone. Click Next again to proceed to the dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you will see a series of prompts to help you set up your account. Follow these prompts to integrate your email and other necessary tools. To add team members, navigate to the settings icon on the bottom left. Select Users from the drop-down menu. Click on Add User and enter the email addresses of your team members. Assign appropriate roles and permissions to each user. Once your team is set up, focus on customizing your deal pipeline. Go to the Deals tab found in the main menu. Click on Pipeline Settings to create or modify your deal stages. Make adjustments that suit your sales process for better deal qualification. Next, utilize Freshsales' AI-based lead scoring feature. This can be enabled in the settings under Lead Scoring. Customize the scoring criteria to reflect how you prioritize leads. After setting up lead scoring, make sure to import your existing contacts. Navigate to the Contacts tab and click on Import. Follow the instructions to upload your CSV file with the existing contacts. Once your contacts are imported, you can start qualifying deals more efficiently. Utilize the Insights and Analytics features to track your sales performance. Regularly review your pipeline and make adjustments as necessary for continuous improvement. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to faster deal qualification with Freshsales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.